Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to use Apple CarPlay. So first of all, you need an iPhone and the lightning cable, which is supposed to be connected there or anywhere you have the USB port like here or there. So first we'll turn on the car. We'll insert this USB cable right there and connect it with a phone. So after that it automatically connects and plays the Apple CarPlay. From here you can access the menu. Here you have the phone, you can see all your recent calls. From here you can play music, browse through your library. Right here like this, you can play music like this. It will start playing. Pause. We'll go to the menu again. Here is Apple Maps. We'll go to the menu again. Here are the messages. Here is now playing. This is Ford Sync and bunch of many other apps like WhatsApp, YouTube Music, Spotify. But Spotify and YouTube Music don't work until you have the premium subscription for them. You can also use Google Maps if you have downloaded that app on your phone. Like this, here is calendar, and here are some settings for the Apple CarPlay. On the top corner you can see the time and your mobile's networks and Wi-Fi networks. And if you scroll this side, here is a navigation menu which has this map and your music control and also a voice command option right there. So guys, in order to work, Apple CarPlay needs a cable and an iPhone. Without that it can't work. So this was it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much.